Excuse me, let me get the door. It's probably Grandma coming to get her necklace. Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, you can tell me which one of you is engaged to my son and which one is he in love with.
Mrs. Knight, I'm Octavia, Nigel's fiancée. We've spoken on the phone.
Oh, yes, that voice. I know your father, an intelligent businessman.
Aw, thank you. You know, it is nice to finally meet you in person.
Is it, though? Shame you are from New Money. Did your parents ever put you through etiquette classes?
No.
I didn't think so. And you must be Summer, spelled with an O.
Yes, but may I ask, how did you know where I live?
My son lives in this building. I own this building. I know everything about this building and all who reside in it.
Oh, I am so sorry. Where are my manners? Please come in. Can I get you anything? Water or water? Sorry, kinda low on groceries.
No, thank you. I will not stay long. I can see you two have become fast friends, even though it is quite an awkward relationship. Some kind of odd couple, with you being my son's future and you his past.
Ouch.
I need assurances that this wedding will happen. Oh, let's call it what it is. Merger. And that you will not be a problem.
Why would you think I would be a problem?
Oh, let's not be coy, Summer. It's insulting. Rather, let's promise to always be straight with one another and save valuable time. I never approved of your relationship with my son. Simply put, you are not on his level.
Why do people keep saying that?
But who am I to stand in the way of true love? I am his mother, after all, and I want nothing more than his happiness. But alas, he has seen the error of his ways and is ready to take his rightful place in our family and do his duty. You will not interfere. Am I understood?
Crystal. Hey, Caroline. Summer, are you just getting out of class? Yes. Wait, you took creative writing, didn't you? Yeah, it really helped me out when I was writing my book. Well, I think it's an absolute nightmare. Why didn't you warn me about all the reading? He expects us to read 3 chapters before class. Caroline, you're a junior. Are you trying to tell me you haven't had a professor require reading before class yet? Of course I have, Summer. It's just that it's been so difficult ever since we lost the sorority house. I could say this was your fault, but I won't. I had to sell the coffee shop for a less expensive location. I love the new place. It's cozy. Yes, but no one knows where it is. It's been difficult drumming up new business.
Summer Darby, do you have a moment?
Sure, Professor. I'll catch up with you later. Okay, Caroline.
How are you enjoying your junior year?
It's been interesting. Oh, I published a book. Well, self-published. Do you want to buy a copy?
I'm glad you've taken on some extracurriculars, but I want to see you more involved in the university.
Oh, well, I thought about getting involved. I even tried out a writing club once. It just wasn't a good fit, so, you know.
Well, then, I have the perfect project for you.
Project?
Oh, I don't know if I have time for any new projects. I mean, kind of busy with the whole self-publishing and all. I'm sure you can find the time, especially if you want my recommendation into that space program this summer.
Well, since you put it like that, I'm listening.
I want you to help out with the university's annual alumni winter fundraiser. I want to introduce you to the head of our board, Mrs. Knight.
We have already had the pleasure of meeting. Nice to see you again, Mrs. Knight.
It truly is a small world, after all.
Since you two already know each other, I'll leave you to it.
Is there somewhere we can go and talk?
Yes, I know just the place. Thank you for your business. Enjoy your new comic book. Excuse me. Oh, Summer, who's your new friend? She's so fancy. Caroline, this is Mrs. Knight, Nigel's mother.
As well as head of Knight Enterprises and head of the university board.
Well, aren't you important? You know, my daddy is a councilman.
How quaint.
It's an elected position. Caroline, do you mind bringing us some tea? Earl Grey. Hot. Sure. Let's have a seat.
This event must be elegant. I will put my name on nothing less. I was thinking gala.
Ooh, a fancy dress party.
I guess some would call it that.
How about we combine it with an award ceremony to entice people to attend?
That is not a terrible idea.
Oh, wow, that was almost a compliment.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Nigel, over here. I have business to attend to. Nigel will fill in for me here. I assume that is not a problem?
No, it's fine.
Nigel, see you at dinner?
Yes.
Good day.
See you later.
So, you've met my mother.
Yep, and I survived.
Oh no, she wasn't that bad, was she?
A little warning would have been nice. But, let me catch you up on what we've decided on so far.
But, Summer, I have to ask, this is not awkward for you, is it?
Not if we keep it professional.
Professional it is. I will be the epitome of professionalism. Call me Mr. Professional. Okay, now you're making it awkward. Okay, down to business. What did I miss?
Well, your mother suggested a gala, and I thought we could combine it with an award ceremony.
Okay, that sounds good. So, what were you thinking? Black tie?
Yeah, I mean, this is a fundraiser, and I think people are more inclined to open their wallets when they're dressed fancy.
Good thinking.
Next, we need a color scheme. I like gold.
And I like green.
Ooh, gold and emerald green? That could be nice.
See, I told Octavia green was a good color. She has outlawed it from the wedding. Oh, I am sorry.
Why are you apologizing? Is it because you mentioned the wedding?
Yes. Is it uncomfortable for you?
Nigel, I'm Octavia's maid of honor. I had to get comfortable with it a while ago.
Thank you for doing that, by the way. She doesn't know anyone here. You have always been a good friend, although I may not have the right to call you that now.
To be honest, I have missed our friendship. We have been friends forever.
Perhaps we can go back and be friends once more.
Yeah,
I think that's doable.
Great! A round of tea for everyone! On me!
Sit down. There is no one else in here, Nigel.
Even better.
No, it ain't. Here's your tea. And that will be $5, Nigel.
What is wrong with her? What did I do?
She met your mother.
Oh, that explains it.
Callie, we called you here because we have an opportunity for you.
We need help to come up with an award ceremony.
For the annual Alumni Winter Fundraiser.
What about a People's Choice kind of award where everyone votes on who they think should win?
That would be awesome! But how do we do that?
I can set up a polling system online where people can click to vote.
Mind blown. Genius, Callie. Look at us working together just like old times.
I guess you could say the band is back together.
Really? Callie, do you mean it?
I couldn't stay mad at you for long, Summer. You're my sister.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, personal space.
We're twins. There is no personal space. After all, we came into the world together. I am so happy, you guys. The only thing that could make this better is if Damon was here. No way. You don't think that's him, do you?
Have you heard from him recently?
No?
Well, are you going to answer the door? The suspense is too much.
Okay. Wait, how do I look?
Answer the door.
Okay, here I go. Please be Damon. Please be Damon. Please be Damon. To be continued on the next Summer in Cali. Aren't you just the cutest little doll in the cutest little room? I made you out of paper. Has anyone seen my script? I can't find it anywhere. Uh-oh. Hey, Caroline, are you just getting out of class? Yes. Cut. Sophie, what are you doing? Where's Summer? Oh, I gave her the day off. What? You don't have the authority to do that. Oh, come on. She gets so much screen time. It was my show before it was hers. This show is literally called Summer and Cali. Can someone please call Summer and get her back to the studio? I can play her part until she gets back. No. Can we take a quick break? My daughter escaped from childcare again. Oh yeah, no problem. Has anyone seen my script? This is some good tea.
Wait, you have tea? How come my cup is empty? I want tea.
No one has tea. It's a prop. And that's why I'm an actress.
Will you answer the door already?
Okay. Please be Damon. Please be Damon. Oh.
I'm back.
Cut. Dargo, what are you doing here? All right. Reset. Let's take it from the top.